Hello friends, myself Harish Paladia, and today's job update is from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and it is from the NIC National Informatics Center. Okay, now the recruitment are for the two posts for the Scientist B and Scientific and Technical Assistant A. Okay, advertisement number is this. Actually, this advertisement came in the month of the March, but due to COVID-19 it has been extended, and now the new date is 1 June 2020. Okay, till the 1st of the June you can apply against this advertisement, and the post is Scientist B, and it is a group A post, and total vacant posts are 288, and unreserved 119, and SC 43, ST 21, OBC 77. Okay, and for EWS Scientist B post is 28. Okay, now the Scientific Technical Assistant A, it is a group B post, and total vacant posts are 207. For unreserved it is 86, for SC 31, for ST 15, for OBC 55, and for EWS 20. Okay, now the eligibility criteria consists of the education qualification. Now for the first post, that is Scientist B, the eligibility criteria, the main education qualification they have demanded is the degree in computer science or electronics and telecommunication, or MCA, master degree in computer application, or MSc in computer science, or MTech in computer science. Okay, so these are the combination of the branches that can fill this form, okay, for this post Scientist B. And for Scientific and Technical Assistant, the same, MSc, MCA, BE, BTech in communication, electronics and communication, in electronics and telecommunication, in computer science and network security, like this. Okay, now the last date is for filling up this form, it was the 26 March 2020. Okay, it was the previous advertisement when it was not extended, but now it is 1st of June 2020. Okay, it's for fresher, no experience required, and the age limit is, for unreserved age limit is 30, for SC/ST 35, for OBC 33, for PWD 40, and for service candidate it is 35. Okay, now the next important thing is the date for calculating the age. Okay, earlier the date for calculating the age was 26th of March 2020, but now it will be 1st of June 2020. Okay, this is one important thing to note down here. And the official website is www.calicut.nielit.in/nic/. okay, this is the official website. I will provide this link in the description box also, and the PDF, the Google Drive link of this PDF, I will also provide that in the description box, from where you can check. Okay, now the center of the written examination, almost all major Indian cities are there, like even in Port Blair, Gangtok, or northeastern cities like Kohima, Shillong, all are there. Okay, so no need to worry for the center of the written examination. Next important thing, application fees. For general and OBC and EWS it is 800 rupees. For SC/ST, PWD and women candidates it is nil. Okay, there is no fee for SC/ST and women candidates. Now the selection process for the Scientist B post, it will consist of written examination and interview, whereas for the Scientific and Technical Assistant A post, it is only the written examination. There will be no interview for this post. Okay, now the written examination will be of 3 hours. For both the posts it will be of 3 hours, and the question will be in English language, and it will be an OMR based. Okay, it will not be CBD, that is, the exam will not be conducted online. Okay, it will be OMR based objective paper, and the total number of questions in the paper will be 120, and 78 question will belong to the technical area, whereas 42 question will be of generic area. Okay, we will discuss what is the syllabus of the generic area and technical area in our further discussion. Okay, now there is, each question will carry 1 mark, and there will be 1/4 negative marking, that is 0.25 marks. Okay, now there is another criteria that to qualify you must have to score 50% for general EWS, whereas 40% for OBC, 30% for the SC/ST and PWD categories. Okay, and the weightage of marks, as for the Scientist B there are written test and the interview, so there is different weightage for each of them. So for written examination the weightage is 85%, whereas for interview the weightage is 15. Whereas for the post of scientific technical assistant, as there is no interview, only the written examination will be there, so its weightage is obviously 100%. Okay, that is the selection will be only on the basis of the written examination. There will be no interview for the scientific technical assistant. Okay, now comes to the syllabus. Okay, what will be the syllabus for this examination? Actually, the syllabus is very clearly mentioned, very detailed syllabus is mentioned here. The syllabus for scientist B, for section A, 35%, it will carry the weightage 35%, and for section A it is logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, quantitative and general aptitude. Okay, and for technical, it is section B, which will consist of 65%. It will be the whole syllabus of the computer science branch. Okay, and this syllabus, the subjects and its topic are clearly mentioned out there, you can check it. Okay, so this was the advertisement of regarding the NIC. Okay, the syllabus for both the scientific technical assistant whereas the scientist, both is same, exactly same. Okay, so this was the NIC, the National Informatics Center advertisement number 2020/1. Okay, thanks for watching, and for further details regarding this advertisement, you can view the description box where I have provided the various links. Okay, thank you.